Hello, my friends. As part of Wonders 5.2, this week we are talking about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. If you remember when we talked about nouns before, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So an adjective is anything that gives a little bit more information about that noun. For example, a bird. A bird is a noun. It's a thing, an animal. If you wanted to tell a little bit more information about it, you could say a red bird. That tells us the color, and you can start to picture it in your mind. If you wanted to give us a teeny bit more information, you could add another adjective, like a red silly bird. That gives us a better picture in our mind. So adjectives are size, how big the bird is, how little the bird is, a color like red, an amount. You could say two birds or even more. A character trait, something like the silly, that would be a character trait. A feeling like a sad bird, right? Or an excited bird, that describes the noun. So another thing that we're talking about this week, and it kind of goes along with adjectives because we can use this when we're choosing which adjectives to use. So shades of meaning. Shades of meaning is how words give different impressions based on which word you choose. If you think of art class, you think of green, right? There's light green, there's a little bit darker, kind of this ferny green, there's dark green, there's different shades of green. Well, just like art class, there's also shades of meaning in writing. Let's take a look at the word small. So small gives us an idea of how big something is. Tiny gives us a better idea. So small might be little, but tiny, you're thinking pretty small, right? Itty bitty, you're thinking something itty bitty teeny tiny that you could pinch with your fingers and pick up with tweezers. Teeny, really small. Minuscule, like you need a microscope to see something that is minuscule. So shades of meaning, small, tiny, itty bitty, minuscule. That really gives you an idea as to how small whatever it is you're talking about really is. So let's look at this sentence. We will go quickly to the park. Well, go quickly. First of all, not an adjective. That's why I say this sort of relates. Go quickly is actually an adverb. We're talking about how we're going. And going is a verb, not a noun. So quickly is an adverb. Whole nother lesson. We'll get to that another day. But shades of meaning works with this. And on your Wonders test this week, you're going to see shades of meaning, not so much the adjectives. Okay. So try this sentence. We will run to the park. Well, that gives us a little more information. That tells us how we are going to go quickly, right? It's a stronger word, run. That tells your reader a little bit more than go quickly. We will rush to the park. That gives your reader an even better idea. Now you're thinking, oh, I'm in a hurry. I cannot wait to get to the park. How about this last one, though? Remember, shades of meaning. This is a really strong one. We will zoom to the park so fast you can't even see us, right? We're going to zoom there. That is a lot stronger of a word choice than rush or run or go quickly. All right, so on Wonders this week, We talked about adjectives. Adjective is a word that gives a little bit more information for a noun. That could be color, could be size, could be shape, could be quantity, how many there are. And we also talked about shades of meaning, the strong word choice. All right. Good luck, boys and girls. We'll see you soon.